Good afternoon. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my vlog. Mga ka-BSK, papagpalang hapon po sa atin lahat. Ayan, papasyalan ko po yung dati kong tinrabuhan at matagal ko na pong kaibigan nagtitint. Tara po, pasok tayo at papatint ko po yung kotse ng anak ko at makikibalita po tayo sa kanya. Dati ko pong boss to, kaya marunong din po ako magtint. Pakilala ko po sa inyo. Mga ka-BSK, itong dati nating mga kaibigan, ito, pinasyalan natin sila. May-ari ng window tinting, Extreme. Ayan, ito ang ano niya, Extreme. They are located dito sa Scott Boulevard. Ano yung address ko? 2762 Scott Boulevard, Santa Clara, California. Yeah, the best window tinting. Just go over here. Ito yung pinakamagaling niyang partner. Anong paano mo, boss? Nino. Ayan, ayan. Ayan, ito ang kasalukuyan niyang ginagawang tint. Ayan. At saka ito Mercedes. Ayan. Ayan. At ayan. Mga ka-BSK, ito po ang mabait at may-ari ng owner nitong Team Street, si Reds. Nakatulido? Tiglao, yeah. Matagal ko na silang kakilala at nagtrabaho rin ako dito year 2001. Yan. Reds,
30 years anniversary. Bumisita ko kayo sa Extreme Tint. Ayan. Basta window tint at saka ceramic paint or ceramic coat or PPF, kami ang puntahan nyo.
Mag-detail ko pa mo rin? Polish?
Not
mostly. Painting lang. Ayan, mga ka-BSK. If you guys want to have a tint on your car, just go over here in Extreme Tint Polish, located in 2762 Scott Boulevard, Santa Clara, California. Or give them a call, 408-727-9540, and then they're gonna assist you. I recommend the best tinting in the city. Yeah, just call them, make an appointment, and they give you a good deal. All right, yes, thank you very much. Bye bye. Sorry. Yes. Thank you. Here you go. Ayan, mga ka-BSK, pauwi na tayo. At ito yung sasakyan ng anak ko na tinint nila. Ayan. Nakakalimutan kong i-video sa haba ng kwentuhan namin. So, ito. Okay na. Good look na. Ayan. I forgot to video while doing the tint because we were keep talking, you know. It's been a long time we didn't see each other, so that's why I forgot to video actual when they do tinting on my son's car. But anyway, yeah, I do a video now. So look, it's very nice. So if you guys want some tint on your car, just drop by over here and then put my name on referral and show them that you my subscriber, and they said they give you a good deal, they give you a discount. Yeah, just show them, and I've been recommended. Is a good tinting on the car. Wherever what kind of car you have, they have a computer cutting, laser cutting on the film. So is very nice. So what are you doing right now? If you want some tint on your car, just give them a call right now. Boulevard right there. Yeah, Santa Clara, California. You can see those extra storage. Yeah, that's in the front of them. There you go. This the building. There you go. All right, mga ka-BSK, we're leaving now. Thank you very much for watching. And yeah, and then see you on my next upload. Take care and God bless. Bye bye.